Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the social count block to create an interactive social stats counter in Gutenberg that engages your audience. Social count is one of the most successful features for your website to increase brand credibility and user trust. The social count block by ZoloBlocks is special because you can easily customize it to display hundreds or thousands of social media or similar. Sounds promising? Let's see it in action now. Inserting the social count block in your landing is easy. You can click on any empty container block, search for the social count name, and select to drop it on your page. The default block appearance welcomes you with 4 social media platforms and one of their statistics. If you open the block settings, you can find preset styles for the block under the General section. Here, you can change between 2 preset styles that alter the content positioning style for a change. Remember that Style 2 is available in the Pro version. Also, this is the parent block. If you open the list view, you can expand the social count block to reveal the child items. Consider each child item as a way to show stats from a social platform. The parent social count block also has grid settings. If you want, you can adjust the number of columns and gaps between each social item to match your content with your landing page style. And when you want to start customizing the items, you can select each social count child item and then customize the icon, link, counter number, and counter meta. With these options, you can onboard any social stats at any time. And yes, this is a static block where you must manually define a number. So, like that, you can add up your social count content on your landing page. Now, if you want to personalize the appearance of your content, the Style tab lets you do that. The tab starts with an item section, where you are able to change the background color of the social items. The color options also expand to let you create a hover effect easily. You may customize the border radius, and padding, as well as add box shadow to your content. However, you may customize the icons from a dedicated section, where you can change the icon color, background color, and lots more. Here too, you can customize border radius, padding, icon size, and spacings. The spacing works by adjusting the gap between the icon and the rest of the content. As for the counter, you may customize it separately. The typography option is a combination of font customizations, such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. The options also allow you to change the counter text color and bottom spacing. And also, the same happens with the meta section. Typography and color options are provided here. Now, what if you want to have unique colors and appearance for each child item separately? That's also possible with ZoloBlocks. You just need to select a child item from the list view and go into its Style tab. The options are the same as the parent, so you can be more creative and take your social counter to one level forward easily. So why don't you take your time and make each social counter branding exact and accurate by customizing the child items? Sure, you can do that. Talk about the time. You happen to spend only 5 minutes crafting a nice social counter in Gutenberg. and there's more than one route you can take to make your content stand out. Here are some patterns to inspire your creativity. Also, you can import these patterns and use them as you wish. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.